Hi, this is Pete with Wrap My Spyder. Today we're really excited to show you a new product that we have for the 2020 and 2021 Can-Am Spyder RT. And this is our new 3D domed real carbon fiber glove box kit. So super cool, a lot different than the current cat scratch protection kit that we have available. As you can see, it's real rigid. This is our real carbon fiber weave, and then it has a top coat of polyurethane. So this is our dash kit material, same as all the other dash kits that we make for the Can-Am Spyders. It does have the 3M backing on it, and just a really cool product. And that is real carbon fiber. That is not a digital decal, but a real carbon fiber weave with the dome polyurethane on it. So this is part of our 3-piece glove box kit. This is the main part that fits on the top and comes around the sides. And today we wanted to show you a quick video on how to apply this new dash kit material, 3D domed real carbon fiber. So as always, to get started, we want to talk about room temperature. Of course, we always recommend that you're 65 to 70 degrees, especially when applying this particular product. For surface prep, as always, we're recommending the 70% rubbing alcohol and kitchen paper towel. And of course, you're going to wipe down the surface, making sure that there's no silicone-based products at all where the dash kit or this glove box kit is going to be positioned. If it does have any kind of silicone-based materials on there, it could definitely prevent to appealing, or it could potentially lead to appealing issues. So make sure that your surface is ready to accept this, because with this particular kit you only get one shot. To check the surface, as always, we're recommending a tape test, so stick the tape to it. If you get good resistance like that, then you know that you're ready to start your application. Now this is a pretty rigid material, so it's thick and quite long, and we're going to ask it to fold down around these corners down here. So sometimes we may have to soften it up depending on your application temperature. As we said, we're recommending 65, 70 degrees. So in this kit, you'll see that there's a little notch right in the middle, just like in our vinyl products, and that is to help you with alignment. Now in addition, I took a grease pencil and made a mark here on the kit, and then I marked, for alignment purposes, back here on the dash. I put one up in the center where the notch is here, and then I did two horizontal lines to help me with where we want to position it on the edge. So you're always going to dry set your product, and what we mean is leave the adhesive on it just like it is here. Set it into place, check your alignment, and fold down your corners. So when you fold these corners down, you want to make sure that they're falling on the leading edge of the panel. You don't want them to be overlapping. So that's why in advance I put the two little horizontal marks to make sure we're straight along the leading edge here. And then when you force the corners down, that they're going to fall where they need to fall. So it will take a little bit of finessing, like I said, because of the thickness, but when we apply heat, which we'll do once the main part's down, that will help it to fall into place. So our surface is prepped and we're ready to apply. So you have to peel off your 3M adhesive to expose the surface area. Now remember with this that you want to do your best to nail, so to speak, your positioning. And typically what I like to do is lean it up so just the edge of the adhesive is going to hit the surface. And I'm aligning my center mark, which is that little notch that's in the kit, along with the notch that I already had, and then the horizontal marks, so I know that I'm into position. And we're just going to let it fall back just a little bit to make sure that we are aligned with our rear marker. And once it's in place, I'm just going to take my finger and run right up the middle. And then I'm just going to work in a motion to the outsides. And you want to kind of do overlapping strokes. Same thing here. And that's to make sure the kit's laying down, you're not getting any air bubbles. So top flat surface is down. Now for this outer, these corners, you're going to want to apply heat. And that's to help that soften the material so that it'll fall down, tack, and stay into place. So your heat source, I'm using a heat gun, but you can use a hair dryer. You're going to want to warm the surface, and then when it gets soft, then we can work it into place. So let's just, and you'll watch it get soft. And it'll start to get a little, see, gets a little floppy there. So we're warming it up. And then once we get it warm, we're going to start at the back corner and work our way Ooh, that's warm. Yeah, you don't want to necessarily go that warm. We're going to fold over the edge, working that point down into place. Make sure you get it nice and pushed down. We'll go over it with microfiber. Then we're going to do the same thing to the other side. So this isn't a crazy install, it's just one you want to take your time. Making sure that your surface is prepped well and that you do post-heating to warm it as well, making sure that you get that adhesive warm enough so that once it goes down, it's not going to come back up. So a lot of this is related to surface prep and application temperature. So remember, you want to be installing this in 65, 70 degrees. But you can see it folded right down and around that contour, and then you can take and push on that outer edge, making sure that it's down. So you definitely want to start with this piece first for alignment. Watch that leading edge right along here, and it folds down and it'll stay down. And then we're going to post heat too. So that's the first and main panel that we're doing. Now before you start these other pieces, you got to re-prep, because you're touching it with your hands, and the oils from your hands can contaminate that surface area and could potentially cause issues as far as peeling is concerned. So then we have our left and right pieces, which are right here. So if you want to dry set them to see how they're going to fall, but it'll be something like that. I usually don't do marks for this because this is an easy enough piece where you can see it. But again, be careful on your tack. Just tack an edge, make sure you have it where you want it. A little hard to see. So I usually follow that leading edge. Make sure that you're aligned across the top as well. Let's look at this. So I just tack just this bottom corner, and you can kind of look at how it's going to fall, and then making sure you like it. There. Put that in place, and then you want to match your gap on the other side as well. Trying to do this where I don't block your view. So we're matching the gap. Checking it at the bottom. The adhesive's sticky. You can see my fingers are sticking to it. And that looks good across the top. You might be able to recover if you need to reposition. Just to show you, but it can be difficult because this 3M acrylic adhesive is pretty aggressive. There. It goes like that. Push that into place. Now, once it's all initially tacked, we're going to ask you to go back with some heat and a microfiber towel. And you're going to warm the surface and use your microfiber to push it down. And basically this is insurance to make sure that don't get it too hot. You'll feel the resistance if you soften that top coat too much. But just use that microfiber to push it in place. And man, that real carbon fiber, that's automotive quality. The manufacturer that makes this product for us is huge in the OE automotive dash kit manufacturing. So they manufacture for dash kits for all the major automotive brands. So we know we're working with super high quality materials that are going to last for years to come. And this real carbon fiber is domed, so it's a very high quality looking product. And I'm going to try to zoom you a little bit so you can see. And that is real carbon fiber with the polyurethane top coating. Super classy. Great scratch protection, and something that we really thought you would like. This product really, takes the look of the machine to the next level, this real carbon fiber. And we also, like we had shown in a prior video, we have our switch panel available in the same material, real carbon fiber. This is not a digital product, as we mentioned. So we've got a matching switch panel in the glove box, and the next panel that will come available in this domed real carbon fiber will be this panel right here. So what a look that's going to be. We're excited. It's coming in the future, so keep watching. And I hope this video proved helpful in showing you our new domed products for the 2020-2021 Can-Am Spyder RT and RT Limited. This video featured our glove box kit, which you'll be able to find on our website, wrapmyspyder.com. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at sales@wrapmyspyder.com or give us a ring. We'd be happy to talk to you, answer any questions that you might have, whether it be about installation or the product itself. And no doubt there's going to be more products coming available in this high quality real carbon fiber domed material. So this is Pete with wrapmyspyder.com, and we thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video with us.